Good morning, children. My name is Kirti Sankla and I am your science teacher. First of all, I would like to extend my warmest wishes to you all on the beginning of our new academic year. So, let's start with a new chapter in your life's journey. Yes, children, I am talking about the new chapter of your life, not about your subject. As we all know that the year 2020 have been very tough time for all of us due to pandemic. हमने कई challenges को face किया such as shifting from classroom learning to digital learning and lot many. Although e-learning ने हमें ज़्यादा smart बना दिया है, which has expanded the horizon of our learning beyond the classroom learning. अच्छा बेटा मुझे बताओ, how have you been in these holidays? Or what all things have you done in these holidays? Have you read some sort of novel? Or you have planted something? Or you have played with your young brother or sister on the terrace? Blogging किया या mobile games के साथ time spend किया? Have you read some sort of article? Or some or the other way have you helped your parents? And many other things you might have done. So, our ultimate aim was to be happy, isn't it? Look at this image, a smiling face. A smiling or a happy face, children, is always liked by all. So always keep smiling and be happy. Okay, children, now what about this image? A sad face, no? A sad baby. No one likes such face. Am I correct? है ना? तो लाइफ में सैडनेस आती है, छोटी छोटी बातों से हम लोग कई बार दुखी हो जाते हैं, हम सैड हो जाते हैं. बट चिल्ड्रन ऑलवेज ट्राई टू कोप अप विद द पीरियड ऑफ सैडनेस. डू समथिंग which makes you happy, some or the other thing to keep yourself busy. Try to keep your mind, your brain, your heart in a happy mood. Okay, children? You know what, children? हमारी लाइफ बहुत ही सिंपल है if we really focus on the thing that matters the most. For example, अगर मैं एक मोबाइल फोन का एग्जाम्पल दूं, you people like playing games in your mobile phone. Am I correct? जो आपको एक टेम्पररी हैप्पीनेस देती है, सिर्फ उसी समय का जो हैप्पीनेस है वो आपको सिर्फ उसी समय देगी. वंस द मोबाइल गॉन, अगेन आप अपनी दूसरी एक्टिविटीज में इन्वॉल्व हो जाएंगे. तो हमेशा कुछ ऐसा करो जो आपको परमानेंट हैप्पीनेस दे. जैसे आप अपने आप को फिजिकली कोई ना कोई काम में इन्वॉल्व रखो, physically strong ho. I'm not saying in this pandemic you go somewhere out in the garden, in the park to play. Play at your home, which makes you physically strong, boost your immunity, improve your mental health. Play something, some sort of puzzle games, puzzle solve करो. Spend time with your family members, brothers के साथ. ये सारी की सारी चीजें it will provide you immense joy and pleasure. Okay, children. Now, let me share some line with you from the famous book, The Power of Now. Children, listen to me very carefully that life exists in this moment. What you feel is now, not your past, and in fact, not your future. This moment is what all we have. इस मोमेंट में आपको जो करना है आप वो कर सकते हो. ना तो आपका पास्ट काम आएगा, ना आपका फ्यूचर के बारे में आपको सोचना है. मेक मैक्सिमम यूज ऑफ दिस मोमेंट. लिव इन द प्रेजेंट मोमेंट. ट्राई टू मेक मोस्ट आउट ऑफ इट. टाइम इज प्रेशियस एंड वंस गॉन इट्स गॉन. इट विल नेवर रिटर्न. बट यू नो व्हाट्स द मैजिक हियर? Each day you will get a chance to renew, and that's the real beauty of life. Let me share with you a real and beautiful example. This is Astha Agrawal, a girl from Jaipur. She did her higher studies from IIT Bombay and earlier got selected in Google, पर अपने कोई personal reasons की वजह से she rejected the job. Later on, it was the year of 2014 when the Facebook offered her 2.1 crore package. A true inspiration, right? As she was the only girl from the India to be offered with such a high package by any company in that year. Okay, children, why I have given you this example is just because to let you know that we all have 24 hours time in a day. हम सब के पास 24 hours का टाइम होता है, किसी के पास भी ज़्यादा या कम नहीं है. And in this 24 hours के टाइम के अंदर we decide our own success or failure. So I want you all to make most out of it. Success basically does not only means about your academics. Along with your academics, your overall personality, the way you talk, the way you behave, the way you present yourself to others. Okay, children? So, along with your studies, you can do many other things to keep yourself happy. You can read books, you can do yoga, you can even do meditation to keep yourself calm and happy. You can watch documentaries. आप अपना favorite sport खेल सकते हो. Music, singing, dancing, whatever is your hobbies, you can do that and you can explore yourself. Okay, children, with this I complete my lines. I finish up with my video. In the next upcoming video, we're going to start up with our first chapter of NCERT textbook, that is food, from where it comes from. So I want you all to just go through the chapter so that when the video comes, the things will be much more clear to you. Okay, children? Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.